So here we have our Kordes roses, and let's go ahead and unpack the package here and see what we have inside. So I'll go ahead and open the package now. And this is how our Kordes package looks when we have just opened it. We have a catalog here I ordered, so I wanted to see the new Kordes roses. So let's put this one to the side. And there's a lot of hay down here. A lot of hay. I think we'll use this for mulch or something. A lot of hay. Let me just get this out of the way and we'll continue the unboxing here. There was nearly hay in here to feed half a horse or something. Yeah, but what's this one? Oh, it is a Silent Perfumer, the new one, Hertugin Dorothea. It is part of the new Perfumer collection, the new entry to it from 2025. I haven't seen a lot of people do reviews on this one, so we'll see how Silent Perfumer does, and it looks pretty nice, I think. Nothing wrong with the quality there. A lot of stems and maybe cut a little bit short, but it'll definitely survive, no doubt. So they didn't have these ones in 5 liters yet. I believe that's because they're so young. You can only order them in 2 little pots. But let's continue the unboxing here and see what else we have. Honestly, one would think that Kordes is running a shipping company or something. Look at all this hay here. At least they pack everything very securely. And they even pack the pots inside these, inside a cardboard box, I guess. Yeah. So not only are they packed in the outer box there, they're also packed in inner boxes, and they're very stuck. I might have to put down the camera again to get this one out. Phew, guys, I nearly need a break just from opening all the packages. Oh man, let me tell you, Kordes really takes the packaging serious. Like I've never seen a supplier use that many layers of packaging before. I can't decide if it is good or if it is a little bit excessive, but it surely does take a bit of time to unpack. This one is Madame Anisette. I decided to get an Anisette more. It's one of the better Perfumer roses from the Kordes lineup. I actually think the 5 liter pots looks kind of nice, good quality. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little stemmer in the middle there. They do look like second-year plants, so everything looks quite nice there. And the reason I didn't get, as I said before, Silent Perfumer in this size was because they didn't have it yet. This one is so new that you can't even order 2-year plants of it yet. And over here we have, I believe this one is Spicy Perfumer, if I'm not wrong. That one actually looks quite nice. Let's see here on the sign. Yeah, Großherzogin Louise, Spicy Perfumer. It is the one derived from, I believe it is the rose called Aoteara or something like that. Aoteara, where it gets its scent from. This is the parent plant to it. But that is actually really nice quality. I actually think that is a little bit nicer than that one over there. Very nice. This is clearly a 2-year-old plant. But a lot of packaging here, right? A lot of packaging. Yeah, I'm not even done on packaging all this stuff yet. And then we have our bearwood roses. They're also in been encapsulated here in plastic. Looks very nice. I really have to say Kordes has really gone all in here on the packaging. But let's go ahead and open this one up and see what we have inside here. Just have a look at that. That is some nice plants. Extremely nice plants. This is beyond A quality. These are just as impressive as the plants I got from Gillieu. Really impressive plants, these ones. And yeah, I should probably mention what it was. I was kind of carried away by the quality here. So that's a good sign, I guess. This was it is the Clivia one. It is a new one from I can't remember if it was 24 or 25, but a completely new one, and it looked quite gorgeous and unique color. And it is medium fragrant. I'm not sure how fragrant it is. I keep hearing contradictory information, but we'll check it out. And let's take one more here. Just look at that. So impressive, right? Just look at that quality. And this is Kammenwürth. Yeah, Kammenwürth. Just look at that quality. Very impressive. And this is also part of the Perfumer collection. And what is this one? This is a new one also. It is the Marzipan one. I thought it looked kind of nice in the colors. Yeah, they seem quite well. The moisture has been quite okay on them. You can see they're still wet. This one maybe even have gotten a little bit too much water, the Marzipan one. But the quality, just look at that quality here. Very impressive. I would even say a tiny bit better than Tantau, but they're also a tiny bit more expensive, but not much, like €2. Very impressive quality from Kordes, and very impressive plants in general. I would have to say Kordes, very much approved. Very good quality plants you get from Kordes, and well worth the money. Even if you have to put up with cleaning all this up. You guys can probably see all the hay and all the extra packaging and all the boxes inside the boxes. But at least they package the things very securely. You would nearly think they have paranoia with so much packaging going on. But honestly, I can't blame them. As I always say, the shipping companies or the post service, they can be a bit rough with the packages. So, and I certainly think we can say that Kordes has played it very safe here. So let's see here. Just have a look at all that hay. Like, I have enough hay here to feed a horse nearly. But yeah, I guess they're playing it safe. Now, there wasn't a planting instruction in the package, or at least not what I could find, but there was a lot of packaging, let me tell you. But I tried to search through everything and I didn't find a planting instruction. But you know what? I think that is kind of minor compared to all the other stuff they have done. They clearly take the quality of the roses and how they arrive and how they're packaged very serious. And I have ordered from Kordes in the past where I remember them putting in a planting instruction, so maybe they just got it this time. But there's not a lot to point out with Kordes. The quality is impressive, and the packaging is maybe even a little bit too much. But honestly, well done, Kordes roses, top-notch quality, and I can't wait to test out Silent Perfumer here and look through this catalog here. So, but yeah, I think so far I've been most impressed with Kordes and Gilieu and Tanta roses. They deliver really good quality, and one thing I'll also mention with Kordes roses is, just like Tantau, the customer service actually reached out and asked me when I wanted the plants delivered, because just like Tantau, they could see it was a bit of a winter period here. So, and I always think that is a nice touch to have customer service that thinks proactively instead of reactively. So all in all, top grades for Kordes roses. Really nice roses, and they clearly take their quality very, very seriously. So it is easy to see why Kordes roses have become so popular around the world. Now I think I'll see if I can find the Clivia rose and some of the roses I bought in this catalog, and we can have a look at them. I just wanted to see here if there's any new information about Silent Perfumer, but there's not any new information at all here. I had hoped maybe there would be a scent wheel or something like the other in the Perfumer collection, but it looks very much like what I've already seen online. But let's go ahead and find the Clivia one. Well, I remember telling you guys, I've actually also ordered Cinderella here, because it is also supposed to have a good perfume. And Flora Colonel we also have incoming. So again, another one that's supposed to have a really good scent. I don't know if I can find the one called, here, Hercules. Hercules is also incoming. So there's a lot of new Kordes roses also. As I said, usually when I get to like 10 new roses from that breeder, I'll do an update of the tier list, and maybe, I don't know if this year or next year, we're going to be updating the Kordes tier list with some new entries, right? And Silent Perfumer is of course also one of them. But yeah, I don't think I can find, let's just see if I can find Clivia here. It should be in the catalog. Oh, here was Marzipan. I was also looking for that one. That was also the one we saw out there. It's not supposed to be that fragrant. Oh, my fingers are dirty after all that saw. I really had to pull a lot of the plants apart. I think I planted like 30 roses today. But yeah, I thought Marzipan looked kind of nice at the colors here. And Madame Anisette was of course one you all know. Very, very famous one for the aniseed and kind of honey scent it has. Memoir I was not that happy with. It was okay, but it was kind of one of those more coarse tea scents, nearly tobaccos. I have been thinking for a long time to try Souvenir de Baden-Baden because it seems to do well for a lot of people, but I also know it's not really truly scented. So Winter Sun I have grown for so many years. Here it was, Clivia. I thought that one looked quite interesting on the blooms alone, right? But it is still only medium on the fragrance scale. Oh, it was a 2025. I couldn't remember if it was 2024 or 2025. I've also been pondering a little bit if I should try Baby Sneewittchen, because a lot of people really like that one too. And there's also Bordeaux. I've seen a lot of people really like. But again, it's kind of like when things are not that scented, I kind of lose interest in trying them, right? Because there's so many scented roses out there to try, so why try things that are not really scented? And I guess sometimes that's just how it is with me. Felice is actually a very good rose, just not as scented as Pure Poetry or Goethe, but I quite like that one. So And Garden of Roses, one of my favorites. You know, this was actually the reason I got Marzipan, because I thought if Marzipan was anything like Joy de Vivre, and they look kind of similar, right? So I really wanted to try Marzipan because of Joy de Vivre. And yeah, and here we have a Fruity Perfumer, a good fruity one. But yeah, guys, I'm not going to go through the whole catalog here. I could, but I just want to say to Kordes Roses, a job well done. Very pretty roses and a beautiful execution on the delivery. Take care out there, guys.